Hey guys, Deronda here. Today I'm headed towards my cousin's house to celebrate my aunt and uncle's 50th wedding anniversary. It's a huge surprise. Talked to my aunt this morning. She doesn't have a clue what we're doing for their anniversary. I've been driving for about an hour. I've got about another 30 minutes before I arrive to her home. I've arrived at my cousin's house, and I understand they've pitched a big white tent in the back. So let's go up here and see what's going on. Oh my goodness, look at the balloons. You all have done a magnificent job. Oh, Aunt Lois and Uncle Scott are going to be so surprised. I know. Your sister sent me those gorgeous flowers. Yes. This is like something out of...
We worked our tails off.
Oh my goodness, what is that show? Lifetime?
Come on.
Oh, how pretty. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, they are going to be so
I've been doing arrangements since 4:30 a.m. Be
so
careful.
surprised. You all have done a spectacular job.
It's been a team effort.
And I talked to Aunt Lois this morning.
Jeannie.
Bye, I'll be back.
No, okay, see you later. That's gonna go on their table.
No, this will go on the food table.
Oh, it'll go on the food.
Yeah.
And you did all this? You arranged all this?
I did.
Well, you have done a spectacular job.
Thank you.
Oh, this is just amazing. Something like out of a movie or out of a magazine.
I've enjoyed doing the flowers, and you know Mom loves
Lois
flowers.
won't believe it. I know. She's going to love it. Indeed. Beautiful. Look at the flowers.
Isn't
oh,
it
my
absolutely
goodness.
gorgeous?
It is. I mean, just really, it's breathtaking. I mean, it is breathtaking.
Well, thank you.
For the lovely couple, I've got 2 dozen chocolate cupcakes, 2 dozen vanilla cupcakes. With a D2 Wilton piping tip, I'm going to be piping buttercream frosting on the top of our cupcakes. I'm going to be sprinkling with gold sprinkles and white pearl sprinkles. I've got cupcake toppers that say Happy 50th. And I'm going to be using Happy Anniversary confetti and our 3-tiered cupcake stand that we're going to arrange these cupcakes on. Let's start by frosting our cupcakes. I'm adding our buttercream frosting into this large piping bag. I picked this up at the supermarket, so when you're in desperate desire or need of something larger, they can sell them to you at the supermarket. I think they charge me 25 cents a bag. I'm just going to fill it up. Pipe a little bit right there in the center because I'm looking for a rosette. And then we're going to go around it and come to the top. And there you go. So we're going to do this to all 50 cupcakes. Happy piping. We're adding the gold sprinkles here on top of each cupcake. You can add as many as you want, or for me, I add 3 of the gold. And I'm going to add 3 of the white. When you put it on, you may just kind of have to push it down in there for it to hold. We've got our sprinkles on. Now it's time to add our cupcake toppers. That looks fantastic. And I just add 1 to the top of each of our cupcakes.
Rhonda, look at the cake.
Oh my goodness! What is that? Oh, look at that gold.
Red velvet and
with their
vanilla.
Red velvet and vanilla.
Yeah.
They are going to be so surprised. Ooh, and we got sparkling
That's
for the kids.
Oh yeah, we got real
Yes.
for us.
Oh, I love it. I got different sayings. This says awesome since 1972. That's the year they got married in. And I've got one that just says 50. So you can play around and add to your cupcake toppers whatever you wish. They look fabulous. Before we add our cupcakes, I'm adding a little bit of bling that we find here in our confetti. And I love it. Look at those little wine glasses and the stars and the happy anniversary. It makes it just so festive and glitzy. A grand celebration for a lovely couple. I'm adding the cupcakes strategically on our cupcake stand. Try to avoid getting them too close so people can get in here with their hands and get what flavor of cupcake they like the best. Our 3-tiered cupcake holder for this 50th wedding anniversary is completed, and love the way it turned out. Of course, you can do this for anniversaries, birthdays, any celebration you wish. And here's extra that I'll keep adding to the 3-tier tray once guests start digging into these fabulous cupcakes. Here comes Aunt Lois and Uncle Scott. They're blindfolded.
Are you going to take me over in the hurdles, or are we going to do?
Yeah, we're gonna go for a marathon.
We got you a big surprise.
Okay.
You okay with the marathon?
Side on there. It's me, Mom, and Ben. Mom and Ben is a little.
Yeah, I'm going to get Scott right beside you.
Pretty cool, but it's just
Yeah, it's a pretty cool gift. I think
Oh,
you'll.
yeah, yeah.
I think you'll like it. I like it a lot.
You guys stand right here beside each other. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1. Take them off.
She knew what we were going to do.
No, but he's going to expect them to take in their lunch.
How many lies I can tell coming over here? I was like, Adrian, I got to bring him here.
Happy anniversary. Everybody's here.
Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.